The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I have a video to show you of an incident that had happened in Kingston, Jamaica, where some people are calling it police brutality. Now, this video shows of a man that had been visited by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, right? And this man had been escorted from the upstairs of a building down to the ground floor by the police officers, where he had been taken into the streets, or should I say, on the roadways of a community that is located in Kingston, Jamaica. And one thing led to the other, but this man had received injuries from the police officers, viewers and subscribers. Now, that man had been taken to the hospital, and it is said that he has to do a few CT scans, viewers and subscribers. Now, the estimate of those scans is said to be $178,000, viewers and subscribers. All right. Now, bear in mind that the price of those CT scans could be more or it could be less. All right. And it has been said that the High Command of Jamaica has instructed for an investigation to be done to look into this incident that had happened, where this man has said to be brutalized by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The man that had been injured by the police officers is complaining about feeling a lot of pain due to the injuries that he had received. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Amen. Go up that video. I don't know where you want. What's everything? Shoot off. Yeah, man, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Everything live. You can't see it. It's live. I live, we go live.
Have it live, man. Live. Everything, man. I'm on the road. Have it live, man.
So we can see it. I'm live. We're checking our YouTube.
Have it live, man. Live.
That me are telling you. You have to know.